Question has been asked, what type of gas should I use in my Ryker? Whether it's a 600, 900 Spider, doesn't matter. The gas you use determines the performance the bike can give. If you check the owner's manual, it'll give you a range, right? From minimum 87 to 91 octane or higher. Here's the thing. Gas is just like food in our personal bodies. The cleaner we eat, the better our bodies perform. Gas on a vehicle is the same exact thing. Whether it's a lawnmower, whether it's our Ryker, whether it's a car, doesn't matter. The cleaner the fuel, the better it performs. Now, though it takes a minimum 87 octane, what happens is 87 octane, the combustibility determines the power that it provides. The higher the octane, the more combustion. The lower the octane, less combustion. So what happens is when you put 87 into your engine, it actually requires more gas to combust in order to maintain your speed or performance. Higher octane gas uses less gas to perform because it combusts bigger. 87, even though it's cheaper at the pump, requires you to use more fuel to maintain the same combustibility or performance as 93 or 91. So then the question is, why do we use 87? Well, it's for affordability. People think by using cheaper gas, it performs the same as any other gas. Owner's manual says the minimum is 87, but they suggest a higher octane fuel. So in your Ryker, I highly recommend use 91 or higher. Personally, I use 93 wherever I can find it, or 94, which you'll find at most of your Sunoco stations.